Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you for watching. My name is Sherry. I'm so excited because today I am starting my fall decorating. That's right, I'm starting fall decorating. This is my absolute favorite time of the year aside from Christmas. But I'm gonna go ahead and get started with my decorating in my home. Now, this is my first home decorating video. My family really has encouraged me to do this, and so I'm really excited about it, a little bit nervous, but I'm just going to show you what I show my family every year. And my taste in decorating has kind of changed over the years a little bit from when my daughters were really small, and now it's kind of matured a little bit, I guess. But I love fall. I love giving that nice fall vibe and having that cinnamon smell in the home when the family gets here, and pumpkins everywhere. I love that. So I'm really looking forward to this, and I hope that you will watch with me. So I do plan on decorating more rooms throughout the season, and I will record those as I do it. But we're gonna get started today with the entryway. And if I'm still feeling up to it, maybe we'll do one more room today. But if I don't do it today, it'll be on another video and I'll let you know when that's coming. So if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. That really helps. And then also give this video a like and feel free to share it if you enjoy it. Thanks. So here's my entryway. It's kind of a small entryway, but I really like it. We moved in a few years ago, and this house has a lot of windows, a lot of light. And I just love how the entryway has this window seat right next to it. And it's just so cute and perfect for decorating. Now, in addition to the new items I picked up for fall decorating from Hobby Lobby and from Kirkland's, I also used a lot of items that I already had in years past. And that's really what I want to do. I like to try to build up a collection so that I can always pull from them and kind of try new pieces out with old pieces and to create a new look. And here I got the welcome to my patch sign from Hobby Lobby. The vase came from Hobby Lobby, so did the florals. The wood pumpkin came from Hobby Lobby, and the two smaller pumpkins, that green that I just love so much, and the tan one, that came from Kirkland's. I just love the way that all came together. I love all the different colors of fall, and I wanted some orange in there, but not too much. So I feel like I have just the right amount. And the florals really bring out the colors in the vase. Just very, very pretty. And of course, you remember my door knocker with the cute little acorns with the glittery tops on them. I just had to pull that out. I got this Blessings cross from Walmart, oh, maybe about 5 years ago, but I just love it. I pull it out every year. And in my dining room, this dining table was passed down to me from my aunt, and I just adore it. It's beautiful. It's stood the test of time. And the side table over there I got from Pier 1 over 20 years ago. You may have seen this this burnt orange runner that I'm placing here. That is also from Hobby Lobby, part of the Robert Stanley collection that I bought maybe 2 years ago. I like this runner. It has little maple leaves on it, and it's very nice, very easy to clean. I throw it in the washer right after the holidays. It cleans up very well, folds up with no wrinkles. Perfect. Now this is my favorite runner. This was made by my daughter Simone. She crocheted this herself. For a little while she had a little bit of a crocheting business, and this sold out very, very quickly. She made so many of these and sold them. They're just absolutely beautiful, and she does such a great job. I just love this runner. Every Thanksgiving or every fall and Thanksgiving I pull it out. And these florals I got from Hobby Lobby, I think 2 years ago. And I thought they would be a very nice match for this vase here. So this year I'm going to do something that I haven't done before. I'm going to create my own centerpiece for the table. And I have just decided to gather up some of the items that I've had in previous years and put something together that represents all the colors of fall and looks very festive. I'm adding in different color maple leaves. I have some acorns, multiple pumpkins, different textures. And of course, I have my cute little scarecrow that I got from Hobby Lobby that I've had for many years. And she's gonna top it all off when I'm done. In the very center of this, I'm using a candle that I got from Kirkland's about 4 years ago, and the smell is amazing. Has a very citrusy and a woodsy scent to it. And for the side table, I decided to use this very farmhouse style vase or canister with a nice little floral arrangement in there, sitting next to a pumpkin. I thought that was very, very pretty, very festive. Well, that's going to do it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. A new video will be out next week as I decorate our family room. As always, please be sure to like, share, and subscribe so that you can keep up with all of my videos. Let me know in the comments, when do you plan to start your fall decorating? As always, take care and God bless.